In today's world, screens are everywhere. We rely on them for everything from work to entertainment, and they travel with us everywhere. But let's face it, no matter how careful we are, our screens inevitably get dirty. Smudges, fingerprints, dust. They're a constant nuisance. And the worst part, cleaning them often feels like a hassle. That's where ScreenKlean comes in. A simple solution that uses patented nanotech to clean your screens effortlessly. No sprays, no chemicals, no mess. Just a crystal clear, spotless screen in seconds. With over 650,000 units sold, ScreenKlean has become a trusted tool for screen cleaning, even used by NASA for their sensitive equipment on the International Space Station. If you've been tired of the constant battle against screen grime, this might be the solution you've been looking for. Let's dive in and explore why ScreenKlean is quickly becoming the go-to choice for screen cleaning. What is ScreenKlean? ScreenKlean is a revolutionary cleaning device designed to effortlessly remove dirt, fingerprints, and smudges from all your screens, smartphones, tablets, TVs, laptops, cameras, and even car screens. Unlike traditional cleaners that use sprays or harsh chemicals, ScreenKlean uses a patented carbon-based nanotech pad to lift away dirt and grime without scratching, damaging, or leaving streaks on your screen. The device is compact and portable, designed for convenience. It's a non-toxic, eco-friendly solution that guarantees a clean, streak-free shine without the hassle of messy sprays or wipes. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, ScreenKlean ensures that your screens stay as spotless as the day you bought them. How does ScreenKlean work? ScreenKlean works using patented nanotechnology that employs electrically charged carbon molecules to clean your screen without causing any damage. These molecules are specifically designed to lift stubborn dirt, oil, and fingerprints from your screen, leaving it spotless and crystal clear. When you use ScreenKlean, the carbon-based pad grabs onto dirt particles and smudges, removing them effectively without scratching the surface. This technology was originally developed for NASA and has been proven to work on some of the most sensitive equipment in the world, including space station screens. There are no harmful chemicals, no toxic residues, and no need for any liquid sprays. Simply swipe the ScreenKlean pad across your screen and enjoy a streak-free, clean display instantly. Features and benefits of ScreenKlean. Universal compatibility. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, computer, TV, or even car screens, ScreenKlean works on all screens, big and small. It's a versatile tool for every device you own. Chemical-free cleaning. No more worrying about harmful chemicals or toxic sprays. ScreenKlean uses a non-toxic, eco-friendly carbon pad, making it completely safe for both you and your devices. Easy to use. Forget the hassle of sprays and wipes. With ScreenKlean, you simply use the carbon pad to wipe away smudges and fingerprints in seconds. It's that simple. Durable and long-lasting. The ScreenKlean pad is designed to be durable and long-lasting. It's built to handle multiple uses and will keep your screens looking pristine without needing constant replacement. Portable design. Lightweight and compact, ScreenKlean comes with a built-in travel case that makes it easy to carry in your bag, purse, or pocket. Take it with you anywhere for quick and easy screen cleaning on the go. Bacteria fighting. The carbon pad not only cleans your screens, but also fights bacteria, helping to keep your devices hygienic and free of harmful germs. Trusted by NASA. ScreenKlean is used by NASA for cleaning equipment on the International Space Station. If it's good enough for space, it's good enough for your phone. Streak-free shine. No more worrying about streaks or residue left behind after cleaning. ScreenKlean guarantees a streak-free, crystal clear finish every time. How to use ScreenKlean. Using ScreenKlean is incredibly simple. Here's how it works. Unfold the ScreenKlean pad, take the pad out of its case, and unfold it. Swipe across your screen. Gently swipe the carbon-based pad across the screen in circular motions. The pad will lift away any dirt, oil, or smudges. Enjoy your flawless screen. After just a few swipes, you'll have a clean, clear, and streak-free screen. It's that easy. There's no mess, no need for extra products, and no complicated steps. Just a few seconds to achieve the results you've always wanted. ScreenKlean pros and cons. Pros. Chemical-free and non-toxic, safe for your screens and the environment.
No mess, no liquid sprays, no residue, no streaks.
Easy to use, just swipe and go. Portable design, take it with you wherever you go. Bacteria fighting keeps your devices clean and hygienic. Trusted by NASA, proven technology for sensitive equipment. Long-lasting, durable, reusable pad that lasts for a long time. Works on all screens, compatible with smartphones, tablets, computers, TVs, and more. Cons. Not for deep scratches, it's not a magic tool for repairing cracked or scratched screens. Regular cleaning. While the pad is reusable, regular cleaning may require wiping the pad clean occasionally, Overall, ScreenKlean is a game changer for those tired of messy wipes, sprays, and ineffective cleaners. Price and where to buy. ScreenKlean is available at an affordable price with several purchasing options. Right now, you can save big with their special offers. One ScreenKlean pad for just buy two, get one at 50% off. Buy three, get two free. Free shipping on all US orders, and international shipping is also available. Additionally, ScreenKlean comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. If for any reason you're not satisfied with the product, you can return it hassle-free for a full refund. You can purchase ScreenKlean directly from the official website, ensuring you're getting the genuine product with the full warranty and customer support. Conclusion. ScreenKlean by Carbon Clean isn't just another screen cleaner. It's a breakthrough in screen care. With patented nanotech that has been trusted by NASA, you can rest assured that your devices are being treated with the same care that sensitive equipment on the International Space Station receives. Say goodbye to smudges, fingerprints, and messy sprays. With ScreenKlean, you get a streak-free, chemical-free, and eco-friendly clean in seconds. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, this device makes keeping your screens spotless effortless. So if you're ready to experience the future of screen cleaning, click the link below to order your ScreenKlean now and say goodbye to smudges for good. It's time to clean smarter, not harder.